Assalamu alaikum, beautiful souls. Farida here with Fashion by Faith Iman, your premier lifestyle consulting brand. We're here today to talk about our fall accessories and wrapping up these series on how to just get a little bit more organized for super cheap when it comes to organizing your closet space, your vanity. Maybe you have a little boutique you want to do online. This is good tips for both men and women, and it's very versatile if you share your closet with your spouse. So you can definitely utilize these tips and get him organized as well as you. Sharing is caring. So, in order to just make this so quick, these are one of my pinnacle go tos when it comes to organizing anyone's closet, especially when I used to do more hands on closet tours and organization and consultation. I love the black hanger. You can get the sturdier ones from Amazon. I prefer those from Ross. I get a 50 pack for $10. So we're talking about how to organize your scarves for quick, super long scarves. You can go ahead and organize them by color, placing them, and I've been using this technique for a while. You can go ahead and steam and starch them however you want to do, and you know you can scrunch them here like so, or you can allow them to have more space, but you definitely want to get organized by color, and you can also organize by texture, but I prefer the color scheme because of course most of us are hijabs, we're looking neck scarves, we're looking organized for color. This does go with one of my Bohemian African clothing, but I do like to put that one here because again it's just kind of so long, and sometimes I do like to wear it by itself, you see, and just make it a turban with some jeans and a shirt. So that allows me to fit almost 6 to 10 scarves, and it does carry the weight very well. I've actually been sometimes fitting 6 to 10, depending on how skinny the scarf is. But again, it allows you to just be super light and easy and grab what you need. And remember, don't be too stressed out about how you organize your system in your closet, but definitely look to organize your system in a way that functions with you, and it does not have to be super expensive. Again, utilize our services by booking at fashionbyfaithiman.com, or fashion slash iman.com, sorry about that. And of course you guys can look at our social media and see various things that we give, and we have exclusive tips and tricks like these on the app. Personally, when you book, you're always able to access your app, and we have tons of things from broad techniques to techniques on how to organize your skin tone, things that you will have at your fingertips, and including your session with us. So this is just a quick way. I do like this way again because it allows me to see what I need and also know my inventory for myself, and pull quickly for when I do have like photo shoots or something I want to do. So that's just a quick tip. These hangers can be used for ties and various things too. They're also super cute for jewelry and necklaces. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, share, like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I am Farida with Fashion by Faith Iman. I appreciate every minute and every second that you spend with us. Much love, and thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.